If you're looking for a mellow hike for the family, head to the Sawmill Trail. Sawmill is a hike-only trail and begins near the bottom of the Snowflake Lift at the intersection of 4 O'Clock Road and Kings Crown Road. Sawmill follows Sawmill Creek and leads to the reservoir adjacent to the BOEC Lodge. This is an easy ascent of 272 vertical feet over just less than a mile through big pines alongside the creek. At the top of the steps is the reservoir, and Sawmill continues on to the 4 o'clock ski run. Enjoy a leisurely lunch amidst the lake and mountain views.